guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I am so sorry that I look so ratchet. I just put some oil on my face to prepare for this video, and I need to let it set in, so this is how you get me right now. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look with the new JACLYN Hill palette. My boyfriend actually got it for me for Valentine's Day, and it just got in the mail because we don't have a MORPHE store near us, so we couldn't go to the store and get it, so we had ordered it online. It just came the other day, and I cannot wait to play with it. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video because I'm literally just gonna be like picking random colors and just doing like a fun makeup look with it. So I'll have to figure out a title to title this, if that's like what you know what I mean? But so I'm gonna be doing that. I'm not gonna do my face makeup on camera because you guys have seen me do my face makeup multiple times. But if you're new here, you haven't, obviously. So if you want to go like watch one of my old videos, you want to know how my face makeup was done, you can watch it on there. But for the people that have always seen my videos and are tired of seeing me do the same face makeup, I decided to not film that for you guys. So I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera, and I come back on and do my eyes specifically for you guys. I have like a pimple here, and it's so annoying and it freaking hurts. So I was like debating on whether or not I should do this video today, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below if you have had any of the JACLYN Hill palettes before. I've actually had all of her palettes. I have not had any of her highlights, because when those came out, I was kind of broke, so I couldn't buy it. So I literally have her first palette, her like Morphe like trio, the 4 palettes, like I have those two, and then I have this one. So I'm so excited to play around with it. I loved all of her eyeshadow palettes, so I'm excited to see how this one is. So let me do my makeup, and then I'll get back to you guys with the makeup look. Okay guys, so I just finished my face makeup. I'm actually not loving it. It's not a good face makeup day. I don't know why, but it's not coming together, and it's really pissing me off. So we're just gonna go ahead and do our eye makeup. I haven't done my eyebrows yet, so I hopefully won't forget to do my eyebrows because I forget sometimes. But here is the palette. This was I can't speak. This is what it looks like on the outside. I think it is so pretty. It's like so like beautiful and like aesthetically pleasing, and I'm like obsessed with it. We have the clear plastic just taken off, and it says, "To all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one is for you. Volume 2, JACLYN Hill." So that's what the top looks like, and these are the colors. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm literally so excited to play around with it. I'm like dying. I'm so ready. So I'm kind of, I don't want to like give a label to this look because like I don't know how it's gonna turn out or how it's gonna look. I'm not a professional makeup person at all. I just like to play around with makeup. So this could turn out so bad and I might not even post it. So we'll see. I'm kind of gonna go for a sunset look maybe. I don't know. I don't want to put a label on it, but I'm gonna use yellow, orange, and some pinkish red in there just to like, I don't know guys, this could go so bad. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean off my brush. I need some more makeup brushes because I literally use one brush, and I know like people don't do that. So I'm gonna go in with No Joke, which is the yellow color right here. I don't know if you could see that. So we're gonna go with No Joke, and we're just gonna put that all over the lid. Woo! I'm so freaking excited. Just tap it off. I'm gonna go over. Okay, maybe I should have gone a little more. I'm gonna bring you guys a little close and personal. Hello. Okay, so tap it off. Oh my gosh, my nose is running now. Oh my god, my nose. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put it on the lid. I'm just gonna put this color everywhere and hope for the best. Like I said, I'm not a professional. This is me just playing around with makeup, hoping for the best. Okay. Was that out of focus this whole freaking time? Probably. So I put No Joke all over, as you can tell. And I think, I don't know if I want to do Feeling Myself or My Man. I'm trying to decide. I think we're gonna go in with Feeling Myself, which is right here. We're gonna do that one. And we're gonna put that over the yellow, which I don't know if most makeup artists would do that. But I'm gonna go not too completely over, like I still want a little bit of yellow showing through, but just like a little bit. Okay, I need to blend that. I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Okay. I kind of see it coming together. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now that I kind of just look like an orange mess, I'm so sorry guys. I feel like this is not turning out how I wanted to. The colors are like beautiful and like perfect, but I'm just like not professional. So like it's not gonna be like professional grade, like, oh my God, you know, it's gonna be like basic girl, oh my God. Just because I'm not the best at makeup, but it's fun, I enjoy it. So trying to decide if I want to go in with Heart On, which is this red right here, and just like play with it a little bit. I'm scared it's gonna ruin it, but we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna do it, tap my brush in it very, very lightly, like so lightly, like you can't even like hardly tell if it's gonna focus. Hello, focus. Whatever, it's not focusing. Like so lightly. And see how that goes. Okay, that was like nothing. Like so, I'm so scared to like do it heavy though. It's like really light. Okay, so I just said like the littlest bit. It wasn't a lot. You probably can't even tell, but I can tell. The slightest bit. It's really pretty. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go actually in with Feeling Myself again, and I'm gonna put that on my bottom, I think, right here. Just not like a crazy amount, but good enough. Okay, so like that, so now like a clown. Now I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna put it on my lid, And then I'm gonna find a shimmer that I wanna do. Okay, so I put the concealer on just like lightly right there, and it makes it actually look a lot better. Surprise, surprise. So now I'm gonna go in, and I was trying to decide which shimmer I wanted to use for my lid, and I think, oh, I just put my nail in the purple. I think the Flawed and Odd would be perfect for it. So this is Flawed and Odd, I think would be perfect for, whoa, my lid. So we're gonna do that one, because she doesn't have like, I don't know, another shimmer that I feel like would go well with this look. Okay, now that I put the shimmer on, it actually looks so good, and I feel like it's just not doing it justice, the camera. I'm gonna go with I'm In It and see how that looks as an inner corner and like brow bone shimmer. I know it's like very white, so I don't know how this is gonna look. Let's see. Oh, it's like purple. Wait, I'm confused. Oh, hi, Boogie. It's like a purple. I thought it was a like a white shimmer. Okay, it kind of brings a little different look to the look. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and do eyeliner and mascara, and then come back and show you guys it all together. But this is kind of like the eyeshadow look, which I don't think it turned out pretty bad. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows, my eyeliner, my mascara, and now the makeup look is complete, and I'm actually kind of obsessed with it. When I was doing it, I was kind of skeptical because it was kind of looking like a hot freaking mess, because like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist or a professional makeup person at all. I just do it for fun because I love it, and it's just like something creative to do, and it's really, really fun. So I was kind of just playing around with the colors, and this is what I came up with, and I thought it was like super cute, and it actually looks like so good in person. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like I didn't think it was gonna look this good, so I'm kind of just like living for it. I'm kind of just like feeling myself, you know what I mean? So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like. Don't forget to comment down below if you've used this palette before, or if you like JACLYN Hill just as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I am thinking about incorporating makeup a little bit more into my channel. I know they don't do as well on my channel, but I enjoy doing makeup, and I think it's like it's just like something really fun for me to do. So yeah, keep a lookout for more makeup videos in the future. My hair looks like shit. But yeah, I love you guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.